going to explain about personalization of learning project. This project is built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap in front end. In backend, we have used Python with Django and integrated with database. This is a machine learning project. To run this project, first we need to open command prompt in this location to run manage.py file. To run manage.py file, we need to type python manage.py run server. So we will get an IP address. This address is loopback address of our system. We need to paste this address in any browser. It can be Chrome or Edge or any other browser. This is the project's index page. This project has three modules: admin, model builder and user. Let's see what are the functionalities of these modules. So admin credentials are admin and admin. Here admin uploads the dataset. This dataset is in the projects folder. Need to upload this dataset. We will get dataset stats, total rows, 14,000 rows, 16 columns and 1500 duplicates. These are the column names and data types of each column, and this is the dataset preview of first 10 rows. Admin manages the users and admin manages the feedbacks. Logout. Next module is model builder, and model builder credentials are builder and builder. The model builder views the dataset stats. This dataset is uploaded by admin. The main purpose of this feature is to analyze the dataset. Model builder analyzes this dataset and pre-processes the data for training. The original dataset stats are 14,000 rows, 16 columns and 1500 duplicates. And these are the column names. And this is a preview of first 10 rows. In pre-processing step, we remove duplicates and remove unwanted columns. And pre-processed dataset stats are 12,000 rows. Previously it was 14,000. After pre-processing we got 12,469 rows and 9 columns. Previously it was 14. These are the pre-processed columns. And pre-processed dataset preview. Data types of each column. Dataset starts. As we have pre-processed the dataset, now we need to step into training. So training has completed. So we have used random forest classifier algorithm for training for better accuracy, and we got 82.76% accuracy. This is the classification report, and these are the model stats in graphical format. So we have three graphs. One is confusion matrix, future importance, and learning style distribution. The next module is user module. So user need to register first. User need to fill all these details: full name, username, phone number, email, address, and password. As I have registered, I can log in immediately with my credentials. This is the user dashboard. As admin has uploaded dataset and model builder has built the model, so user is using this model for prediction. We need to enter these futures. Total learning hours would be 25 per week. Attendance percentage is 80. Gender rate is 22. The online courses completed are around 20. Assignment completion percentage is 80%, and stress level is medium, and final grade is B. So suggested learning style is reading and writing, and recommended educational content is notes, PDFs, and articles. This outcome depends on the input we have given to the model. This is my prediction history, and this is my feedback form. Login.